Hi, this is John at A1 Ground Control. We got a Nylatron bushing installation video for you here. It's the NB Miata upper front A-arm. We have the stock bushings pressed out of this one, and we're going to put in the Nylatron. We have on our installation sketch, that would be the Nylatron, that's the Delrin, that's the 303 stainless steel part of it. We're concerned with the Nylatron right now, number 109, and we're going to press it into the outside of the front upper A-arms on both sides, on the outside, nothing on the inside. So let's try that. We have a package of 109 Nylatron. I have some out already for installation. And just put it in the end here. Put it in your vise. And wind it on down until it stops. One option is the mallet, which we don't recommend, because if you hit that off to the side, this is a hard plastic, it's brittle, you could crack that edge right off of there. So be very careful, get it on something that'll support it, get it for you, and tap that down, keeping your hammer nice and square. Don't have anything else, that works. And now it's ready for the next operation.